You guys, the strangest thing just happened to me while I was riding. And even after that, I don't really quite know how this happened. But yeah, the screws for my float bowl came loose while I was riding. I honestly still have no idea how this happened. But for some reason, it did. So yeah, pretty sure that essentially what happened was I was out riding, but for some reason, all the vibration caused the screws for the float bowl to come loose, and it caused my float bowl to come crashing down onto the cylinder. And essentially, all my gas started spilling out. For some reason, I thought it was my motor again, but thankfully it wasn't. And also, thank goodness for petcocks. All the gas was spilling out onto my cylinder, which was hot, and I could see it boiling the gasoline. So yeah, whoever invented these petcocks, thank you very much. You might have saved a life here. But I don't think that's really that big of a deal. I'll just find me some new screws and I should get to rip it again. But yeah, advice, if something continuously keeps coming loose, always be sure to Loctite it so it doesn't happen again. Oh, even the manifold's hot too. So, yeah, that's my quick little story. Yeah, and happy late 4th. I'm recording this on the 6th of July. Obviously, the 4th was on Saturday. But, yeah, that's my story. Man, things do get weird nowadays, do they?